to adjust making promises instead of seeking solutions.
You're listening to RNZ Pacific. We now leave the BBC and rejoin RNZ National.
With what benefit you were saying is that he's saying it didn't earn your investment sort of flat. It didn't earn it in broken dollars. It didn't earn it at all.
I just think it's harsh. Sorry.
101, you're on the panel, RNZ National. It's 663, it's front headline.
3 children missing from Modified with their fugitive father Tom Phillips since December 2021 have made an emotional plea for their return. In a police video, the mother, known only as Kat, says Jada, Maverick and Ember need her, and she compares their father's actions to abuse. Internal Affairs says 42,000 passport applications are awaiting processing, down from 51,000 last month. About 2,000 new applications are coming in each day. Travellers on a flight to Melbourne, a bird strike, has now left the country after an emergency landing in Invercargill last night. And the New Zealand College of Clinical Psychologists says there is a 22% vacancy rate in the profession, and cuts to support roles are making the problem worse. Those are the headlines. Looking at traffic around the country, there is a strong wind warning in place on the west coast of the South Island, State Highway 6. Also tickets are halved. Take care, especially if you're in a lighter or high-sided vehicle or you're on a motorbike. Text us on 2101 if you have any traffic intel where you are. Now next, news and weather are at 7.
If you think RNZ has breached formal standards either on air or in our online content, you have the right to make a formal complaint. This must be made to the broadcaster first within 20 working days of the broadcast. To find out about that standard or to lodge a complaint, go to our website rnz.co.nz and type formal complaint into our search engine. You'll be directed to our formal complaints page. The standards we prepared for our broadcasters, including RNZ.